Hi friends, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is hot dog buns. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Lukewarm 3/4 cup of almond milk with less than half cup, so it's not half cup full, just almost or barely half cup of sugar, and then with 1¼ teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let's stand for 10 minutes until bubbly. So this is 3½ cup with 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix it until completely combined, and then we're gonna add half cup of tomato paste with 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. So you just want to kind of mix this a little, and then before we add in our yeast. So again, this was half cup of tomato paste with 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We're just gonna mix in our yeast and start to knead with our hand until it forms, the mixture forms a nice dough. The mixture on clean surface and start kneading if it's easier for you, because my bowl is a little bit too small for me to knead nicely. Cover dough in cling wrap and let's stand for 30 to 40 minutes. Sometimes I'll let it stand for 1 hour when I'm busy cooking with other stuff, until doubled in size. So this is a little bit of Sriracha sauce, hot sauce with ketchup. Just mix it, and then we're gonna top our bread with these if you like, or you can just use Sriracha, or you can just use ketchup. It's up to you. For this one, this is half fat or less fat mayonnaise. Resting, divide the dough into portion, and we're gonna roll it flat. So this is 100 grams. Place one. This is beef, all beef wieners, and just seam to seal. You want to cover the wieners inside the dough. I'm using one hand as always. I know I should use a tripod, but my goodness, I'm so lazy setting. Forgive me, YouTube. But you get the idea. You want to cover it nicely, of course. I'll show you after. I can use my 2 hands. Like so. And on a clean surface, you can just roll it like this, or on your parchment. And then we're gonna slice this. You slice it, but don't slice through, and then you're gonna twist this to sides, so you're gonna create a zigzag texture or look for the buns or rolls or bread, like so, and now we're just gonna give our sauces as long as you want it. Now we're gonna bake these bread buns rolls, whatever it's called, for 20 to 22 minutes on preheated 375 Fahrenheit.